chemical properties of alkenes. We will discuss the two chemical properties of alkenes over there. The first one is the addition of the hydrogen halide, and the second one we have oxidation of the alkenes, and it is from the chapter hydrocarbons. So let's have a look what are the chemical properties of the alkenes. So basically, alkene react chemically with many substances, but here we will discuss about its two main chemical reactions. The first one is its oxidation. Oxidation is mainly the addition of the oxygen. It is known as the addition of oxygen. And the second we will discuss is reaction with the hydrogen halide. So let's have a look that what is the explanation of this reaction. First one is the addition of the hydrogen halide. So addition of hydrogen halide basically it is a chemical reaction. Simply it means that it is the addition of hydrogen and it is the addition of the halogens. So this is known as addition of the hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide basically we have halogen atoms with the hydrogen and we have four hydrogen halide. The first one we have HF, we have HCl, we have HBr, and we have HI. So these are the four halogen having the combination with the hydrogen and known as the hydrogen halide, and their order of reactivity with the alkenes, their reaction or order of reactivity with the alkenes we have as HI, it is most reactive as compared to the HBr, and HBr is more reactive as compared to the HCl. So these three halogen or hydrogen halide react with the alkenes and they produces their respective products. They will produce after the reaction the main products are known as alkyl halides. So here we will discuss the chemical reactions. The first one chemical reaction we have a simple alkene that is ethene. If we have a simple alkene that is ethene, its formula is CH2 double bond CH2. This is a simple alkene. Its structure formula we have carbon as having double bond with the carbon having two hydrogen and this carbon is also having two hydrogens. So by the addition of the hydrogen halide we have HBr. Then after the reaction, this HBr will be added to the double bond. So each carbon will have one carbon will have hydrogen and the other carbon will have the bromine. So the product we just gain it is the two hydrogen atoms already have been by the carbon atoms, and next there is the addition of the one hydrogen on this side and the Br on this side. So the product we gain it is CH3 CH2 Br. How CH3? So this is the CH3, this is the CH2, and next on the Br with this carbon. So the product we gain its name is ethyl bromide. So this reaction is used for the conversion of the ethene or simple alkenes into ethyl or alkyl halides. Next, we have the second chemical property of the alkenes, it is their oxidation. So when we're going to do the oxidation of the alkenes, it always is going to be takes place with the help of a chemical substance that is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Oxidation will take place in the presence of KMnO4. So alkenes basically reacts with the acidified aqueous solutions of the potassium permanganate that is KMnO4, and as a result of this reaction they dechlorize the purple color from the main product. So at the end, we gain a colorless liquid. So this can also be used for the identification of the different substances. Let's have a look on the chemical reaction of the alkenes with KMnO4. If we have a simple alkene, that is ethene, as CH2 double bond CH2, and with the addition of the potassium permanganese KMnO4, we will take its aqueous solution, so the addition of water will be there. Then after the reaction, we gain the product, that is ethylene glycol. As addition of the hydroxyl group on the double bonded, we have CH2 CH2 and the addition of the hydroxyl group. So this is the simple oxidation with KMnO4. Next one, we have the side products. Side products will be manganese dioxide and we have potassium hydroxide. Now by balancing this equation, we will be able to get 3CH2. We will use 2 moles of KMnO4 and then 3 moles of ethylene glycol. Here this product is ethylene glycol, or its IUPAC name is 1,2-ethene diol. 1,2-ethene diol. Diol means there are two hydroxyl groups are present, so we have added one to their positions, and diol mean there are two hydroxyl groups that are present over there. So this is the main product that is going to be formed as a result of oxidation of the alkenes with KMnO4, and these are the side products that produces as a result of this reaction. I hope you guys understand about the chemical reaction of the alkenes, that is oxidation and addition of the hydrogen halide. If you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.